Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video we are discussing a special field that is document ID field. So let's go to the instance. This is my instance table. Let me go to the dictionary of this table. Click on new. Select the type as document ID. Provide name. Test document ID. Now save it. So the field is added successfully. It is empty at the moment. So let's click on this magnifying glass. So let me click on document, nothing happening, it is showing some error. This is because it will not work like this. Okay, so now we have to add, remember we have to add a simple string field where we have to provide the table name first and make it dependent on this. So let's go to form layout, go to experiment tab, add a new field, let's say doc reference. Okay, let me add that here. Just after this, save it. So now let's go to the test doc again and then add this doc reference as a dependent of this field. So let's right click here, go to dictionary, go to advanced view, click on dependent and select that particular field which we have created, that is doc reference. Okay, update it. So now let me show you how to use this field. Add the name of the table here. Let's say I'll add incident. Now click on this. You see table incident is now coming here. So now you can select any record from the incident table and attach it as a document like this. Let's save this. You see this is attached. Now if you want to change the table, you can do so here. Let's say a user table. I have added sys user here. Okay, if I click on this now, sys user table is selected here. You have the option to add any of the user, whatever you want. Okay, so now you see the difference between this document ID field and the configuration item, that is the reference field. When we use reference field, it provides same reference of same table all the time. Okay, but in case of document ID field, you have this opportunity to select the table, to provide the table and attach that table document. Okay, so there are no foundations. You can provide the reference to any table and attach the document, or you can say attach the record of that table directly in a single record or single table like this. On my blog I am creating a thorough document for this, as well as I will provide the way how to use the document ID field or the document ID field's value within the script. Okay, so you can check it there and get the information. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.